Local news for Friday, the 25th of October. Gull Masterton was held up yesterday morning in the early hours, about 1 a.m. A large quantity of cash and cigarettes were also stolen. The police are looking for a male in his 20s, possibly 5'8", wearing black pants, a black puffer-style jacket and face mask, who arrived on a children's scooter. Anyone with information are urged to contact local police or anonymously via Crime Stoppers. A number of events are being held this weekend that'll keep locals busy. The block party on Queen Street is on tomorrow with free entry. Pukaha have an open day on Sunday with just a koha entry, and Sunday also sees the Koporanga Arts and Crafts Fair and Riversdale Beach Market. And fire and emergency staff were called to a vacant house well involved just after 1 a.m. yesterday morning. Multiple calls were made as fire crews from Featherston, Martiborough, Greytown and Wellington all assisted. Police and fire and emergency staff are investigating. And in sport, two Wairarapa Bush players have been selected for the New Zealand Heartland 15, Tristan Flutie and Tim Priest. The team will play 3 games, 1 against New Zealand Marist and 2 against Fiji later next month. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.